Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello and welcome to the 186th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. A very happy feast of the Immaculate Conception of Mother Mary to all. Don Bosco started his mission for the poor and abandoned youth on 8th December 1841 with just one vagrant boy, Bartholomew Garelli. I'm your host, RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. The show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. Salesian Parish holds Vatican Eucharistic exhibition. Rectors meet from 6 countries. Dressmaking graduates flaunt their products. Salesians between 50 to 60 years reflect on life. The news in detail. India Salesian Parish holds Vatican Eucharistic exhibition. Dorothy Fernandez reports from Mumbai.
The Bread of Life Eucharist Foundation organized the Vatican Eucharistic exhibition at Mary Help of Christians Salesian Parish at Naigaon East, Mumbai on 25th and 26th November 2023. Nearly 1,500 persons from various parishes witnessed this exhibition, which showcased 25 Eucharistic miracles approved by the Vatican. Visitors could attend Holy Mass and the adoration service held at the church campus. The exhibition had an extensive assortment of photographs and historical descriptions. The exhibition presented some of the principal Eucharistic miracles that took place throughout the ages in various countries of the world and which have been recognized by the Church. By means of the panels, one virtually visited the places where the miracle took place. Log in to the website bolfoundation.org to organize the Vatican Eucharistic exhibition in your parish or church.
Dorothy Fernandez reporting. Child-friendly schools put children at the center of learning and engage them in play learning. Experts say children learn through example. Studies show that children pick up values of love, kindness, helpfulness, compassion, and acceptance of each other, not by hearing, but by saying. Church Art Kolkata's Children series offer life-size statues and attractive murals of children in various learning, sharing, helping, and playful situations. These will inspire in children values of love, cooperation, kindness, and gentleness. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil at churchart.ganguly@gmail.com or WhatsApp or Telegram at country code 919831020945. Papua New Guinea rectors meet from 6 countries. Father Albert Lennon reports from Port Moresby.
The rectors of the Salesian communities from 6 different countries, namely Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Japan, Samoa, Korea, and Vietnam, arrive in Port Moresby for the annual meeting. The meeting held from the 19th to 24th November at the Provincial House dealt with the following topics: the importance of artificial intelligence and how it affects our lives by Father Ambrose Pereira, the challenges towards an artificial leadership by Father Gregorio Bicomong, the different issues concerning rectors and confidentiality by Father Anthony Duong, and the biblical foundation of religious life by Father Frank Maloney. The talks, savvy, and filing in itself were laced with time for conference, fraternalizing, and sharing together.
Father Albert Lennon reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India dressmaking graduates flaunt their products. Sister Sandra Mary Dingdo reports from Shillong.
On the 29 November 2023, the Auxilium Life Skills Training Center, Nongtamai, Shillong, felicitated the trainees who had completed the 2-month skills upgradation training on tailoring and embroidery, sponsored by the Office of the District Commerce and Industry Center, East Khasi Hills, Shillong, Meghalaya. The 25 trainees who walked the ramp in creative outfits they made were trained by 2 Salesian sisters. Officials of District Commerce and Industry Center who funded the training were present along with Vice Provincial, other trainees and teachers. All 25 trainees, having successfully completed the course, were awarded a certificate each from the Government of Meghalaya, Department of Commerce and Industries. The Salesian Sisters of Shillong Province run a similar training at Auxilium Skills Training Center, Khubor, in Khubor district of Meghalaya. Inaugurated on 20th September 2022. It offers training in tailoring and fashion designing under Skills Meghalaya and funded by Meghalaya State Skills Development Society.
Sister Sandra Mary Dingdo reporting. Vietnam Salesians between 50 to 60 years reflect on life. Father Augustine Do Phuoc reports from Ho Chi Minh City.
Regular formation days for 36 Salesians aged 50 to 60 years of Vietnam province were held from 29 of November to the 2nd of December 2023 at the Khubor Retreat Center. Some topics of reflection were credibility of the Eternal Forum, our time's challenges and opportunities, explaining the anthropological understandings, the psychology and spiritual dimension of the age group. The participants were helped to identify common physical and psychological illnesses in priests and religious like sexual deviation, difficulty in long-term interpersonal relationships, depression, drunkenness, substance abuse, financial issues, which are related to the roots of the feeling of isolation, chronic anger, background or personality disorder, spiritual superficiality, disorder agenda, the influence of the internet on chastity and community pastoral relationships, drawing up on contemporary writers in spirituality and consecrated life. Participants were brought into the heart of a life of prayer and fraternity that takes advantage of the potential of middle age to bear spiritual fruit and charity.
Father Augustine Do Phuoc reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.